In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and customize the chat widget for your website. This will allow you to add a fully customizable chatbot to your site without any coding skills required. Let's get started. To enable and configure the chat widget, start by opening your bot and entering the integrations panel. From there, find Chat Widget on the list and click Connect. Once you do that, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize every detail of your chat window. Any changes you make will immediately appear in the chat window preview on the right, so you can see your updates in real time. On the left side of the screen, you'll find different sections. Let's review them now. In the General section, you can personalize the bot by changing its name, adding a description, uploading an avatar, and setting the widget language. You can also configure the Welcome screen, which is what users will see when they first click on the chat bubble. Here, you can upload a logo, write a custom welcome message, and add clickable links right in the chat window. You can also find more functions here that allow you to adjust and customize your widget. Moving on to the Appearance section, this is where you'll make sure the chat window matches your site's style. You can choose a ready-made theme or dive into the advanced settings to fully customize the colors, background, and upload your own background image. Next, in the Position section, you can decide where you want the chat widget to appear on your site. You can place it on the left or right side of the screen and adjust how far it sits from the edge. You can also choose between automatically launching the widget when the page loads or setting up a custom launch, like displaying the chat only after a user clicks a specific button. For mobile devices, you can choose whether or not to display the chat widget to users on smartphones. You can also adjust the widget's position for mobile users, keeping it the same as on desktop, or customizing it further for mobile screens. Now, let's talk about greetings. You can configure a greeting message to capture your users' attention and encourage them to chat. In the Greetings section, click on the Add Greeting button. Here, you can add a title, create a message, and set conditions for when the message will be displayed. You'll be able to see how the greeting will look in the preview window on the right before saving your changes. All right, we prepared a greeting and customized the look of the widget. Now let's implement it. When you're done with your setup, head to the Publish section. This is where you'll get the code required to implement the chatbot on your website. Simply click the Copy Code button and paste the code into your website's source code just before the closing body tag. Here's what the widget looks like implemented on a website. If you're using a platform like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, don't worry. You can click on the tiles in the Publish section to learn how to connect the chatbot to your chosen platform. If you want to test your chat widget before implementing it on your site, you can do this by visiting the Preview page. This lets you interact with the bot, check for any issues, and see how it will look live on your site. If, at any point, you want to disable the chat widget without removing the code, you can easily switch it off by going to the chat widget integration and toggling the widget off. That's it. You've now successfully installed and customized the chat widget on your website. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel for tips on optimizing your chatbot.